what you wanna say to me now.
Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Wanjiku. If you're seeing my face for the first time, please do consider subscribing. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support. You guys have been on my neck. Not all of you, but some of you who my day ones. Okay, kuna wale when I know they keep on checking if I've posted bado and they don't like comment all that, but some have been commenting on the previous videos, also TikTok, and I'm like, geez guys, you're making me feel loved. Anyway, so today's the next day. Yesterday I went and picked my cooker. Simpige shangwe na vigelegele kwa Yesu. God has done it again. I'll never take the glory. It belongs to God. Everything that I have in this house, everything that I am able to accomplish, it's the hand of God, not mine. So I'll never take the glory. I'll never say, oh, I'm working hard, because so many people are working hard. By the way, I always wake up at 4:30. By 5:11 hapo, because huwa nafanya other things at work, so I do rush. By 5:15, 5:20 gari inakuwa imejaa kwenda tao. You can imagine. Super metro imeshaja. So I don't always say that I'm the one working hard ndo kwa maana I have this. There are so many people working hard. By the way, sitaki kuwabona story mob, but let God take the glory. It's the hand of God and his favor. So I'm here. I wanted to sleep. Niko kwa bed already. Stima zilikuwa zimepotea, and as I've said, yesterday nilifika home late. I wanted to vlog, unbox with you the cooker, but nika feel it's a little bit late. Also today, let me just do it today. And I pray that the quality of the video will not be that bad. That's why I'm na focus huku instead of where the camera is. Let me show you a little bit of haul. Nilibuy bodysuits online. Zenye nimechukua Dynamic. Let me show you my cooker first. Guys, so this is the cooker. Nilichukua BJS and it's the Elite one. It was going for 30k. Yeah, it was going for 30k. So wacha tuifungue. But first we have to fix that place because nataka ikae pale, even though I want to do a lot. Nataka kupitisha stima juu. It needs a socket, ni plug kwa stima so that it can start working, because it has one electric. I think ni hapa iko na one electric, don't mind my nails. Iko na one electric and 2 gas burners. So that's what I want to do. Nataka kutoa hapa. Obviously, mtaona other parts because I'm also vlogging for TikTok. Please do follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. I'll leave the handles down below on my description box, okay? So let's do it right now. Acha ni change to something respectful. So guys, nataka move my cloth rack. So guys, I want to move my wardrobe on this side, although I feel like it will block a lot of light from coming through my bedside area the way it was. And also to make my bed, it's going to be a hassle, but we have to try it tuone venye itakaa, because inanikasirisha ikikaa kwa box. And I also have to confirm if it's okay, because it was dropped by a Buddha guy, although nikaa ndo huwa na deliver most of their electronics huko, but I want to confirm, and this will be an evidence that nilifungua yes leo. Yeah, and then I'll show you the tops that I got.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna.
Hey guys, so this is the final outcome. I didn't want to talk too much, so I'm just going to leave it over here. But anyway, so this is how it looks. The 3 gas burners and the electric one. And then we have the oven over here. Unaona iko yake for baking. I'll be trying to bake, by the way. I'm so excited. And it has a storage compartment. So it's going to be a little problem because sina socket. It needs to be fixed. Na tukaifixiwe. Also na feel like my clothes itakuwa na harufu ya food sometimes. But yeah, for now, acha tu ikae hapo. I just wanted to unbox, nikuwe sure it's okay, it's safe, and also to show the progress, to post something. But for now, this is how my kitchen looks like. Actually, I'm so happy and grateful to God. Like venye nilifungua tu hivi nikaona hii glass and the paper, I was like, God, is this real? For a minute, I was like, no. But that's the outcome. Nitawape reviews, but nimekuwa nikiangalia TikTok and other places watu wanaongelelea good about this brand na ijaachana mbali na Mika the prices. Okay, so yeah, msia just avoid the messy in my kitchen. Ni usiku and I want to sleep. Guys, let's meet on the next one.